All mechanics hate
Alright, y'all.
this.
Well, number one, y'all know I'm Red Army. Milwaukee, Red Army. If y'all ain't know, all my Red Army guys, leave a comment in the comments. Red Army. But anyway, one thing us mechanics fucking hate, people. We can't stand when y'all say it. We want to punch you on your fucking mouth. When we say, well, we have to diagnose the car, and y'all say, oh, I don't need you to diagnose it. I got AutoZone to do it. Whew. That is not a diagnostic. All they did was scan the code and put a list of recommended fixes, and then y'all bought everything on the list. That might not be the problem. 90% of the time, it's not the problem. AutoZone are not mechanics. They could barely get parts right. They are not mechanics. When they say diagnose, I wish they would change that, because that's not what it is. I wish they would just say, I think it do just say free scan, but if people think it's a diagnostic, it's not a diagnostic. That's not how that works. Stuff has to be looked at, stuff has to be tested, stuff has to be checked. AutoZone code scanning is not a fucking diagnostic. So stop being cheap and pay the diagnostic fee. That's all. Free shit ain't always good. If we scan it, a code comes up. Now, just because that code came up don't mean, well, you need spark plugs. Well, if you have a misfire, you can need spark plugs, you can need coils, you can need fuel injectors, you can have a dead cylinder. There's a bunch of reasons why you can have misfires. But you go to AutoZone, I need a diagnostic. Okay, cool. They go out there, scan it, and then it says misfire. Then they print out, well, you need coils and spark plugs. And then you get coils and spark plugs. You don't want to pay me for the diagnostic. I put the coils and spark plugs in, and the check engine light is still on and blinking. And you're trying to figure out, well, you didn't fix the problem. No, I did what you told me to do. Get a real diagnostic, pay for the diagnostic.